It is desirable that the Netherlands temporarily makes liquidity support available to Aruba, Curaçao, and Sint Maarten, and that the governments of the Netherlands, Aruba, and Curaçao, and Sint Maarten have agreed that, in accordance with Article 38, the second paragraph of the Charter for the Kingdom of the Netherlands, an administrative body with independent tasks and powers to be established that will provide support. For Sint Maarten, various meetings of Parliament was held with experts who share their expert opinion on the COHO. Subsequently, each faction was requested to provide a position paper for their respective faction. During the IPCO of May 4th to May 6th, 2022, this proposed kingdom law was discussed as well, and during which each country indicated their position on the proposed kingdom law. It is during this IPCO held on Sint Maarten that agreements was reached that all parliaments will submit their reports by May 20th, 2022. This report, containing comments and remarks of the factions, was made up and submitted to the Central Committee meeting after the deliberations of May 16, 2022 to be approved. According to the rules of order, the report is approved by the Central Committee meeting and sent to the chairperson of the second chamber for further handling. With regards to the procedure kingdom law, Article 15 through 21 of the Kingdom Charter regulates certain parts of the kingdom law procedure. Based on these articles, parliaments are able and allowed to research the proposal and bring out a written report. This report is answered by a responsible minister, in this case, the State Secretary. The parliament of these three countries can choose to send one or more special delegates to the handling of the proposals who are allowed to be present and also give information through a speech. These special delegates can also propose amendments to the proposal of the law and also submit motions. However, only the members of the Dutch second chambers are allowed to vote on the aforementioned and the law proposal. Currently, the report is being translated to the Dutch language by the Secretariat and will be sent tomorrow to the second chamber.